How to use water conditioner. In this video, we will use the example of natural chemistry instant pool water conditioner. Instant pool water conditioner is used for stabilizing chlorine from UV sunlight loss. It begins working to protect chlorine the instant it's added to the pool. Regular cyanuric acid with a pH of 2.8 is very acidic and can take 4 to 7 days to dissolve. This can cause damage to the pool surface or circulation system, depending on the method of application. Instant pool water conditioner is not an acid, but a salt that has a pool-friendly pH, so it will not damage pool surfaces or equipment. Shake well before use. Dosage directions. Dosage for startup. Divide pool volume in gallons by 10,000 to determine the number of gallons of instant pool water conditioner required. Dosage for maintenance. If CYA level is less than 30 ppm, calculate gallons of instant pool water conditioner needed using the following formula. 4 ounces added to 10,000 gallons equals 1 ppm increase of conditioner level. Useful tips. It is recommended to wait at least 20 minutes to an hour after adding water balancing chemicals. You should wait 2-4 hours, or 1 full cycle through the filter, to swim from the moment you use calcium chloride in your pool. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.